Okay, we're at the Dakota in the Village. This is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. So this is a gated community. This is another very popular community with my clients. My clients love the Dakota. It's more reserved, it's kind of more quiet and private. The Dakota, and by the way, the west side, which is, I believe, right across the street there, those are two of the most popular communities for my clients. They like the gatedness. They like how it's kind of more reserved and quiet. Just feels a little safer. I'm just being honest. So one of the things I want to do is, I've never shown this off, I believe, and so we're going to go into the Dakota, and they actually have a gym, a really nice gym and a pool. So we're going to walk in and see it and take a look at it. This is really cool. I've actually never captured this on video, so we're going to go take a look at it. Really pretty. It's kind of it feels like a men's club in here. It's just very, very woodish, woody. Feels like a high-end kind of men's club fitness center. It's really pretty. It's got cool equipment. It's got kind of a studio studio area in here. Oh, and I'm sorry, this is not really a studio area. This is just more of just a weight area. But it's got kettlebells. You can see there's a bench there, but also the aerobic equipment over here. So you can still go to the gym and the Village Fit and all the things we capture on video, but then you can also go to this too. So it's more private and it's in your community. Really, really pretty. It feels great in here. Also, you can go, I just like this wall. Wow, this is really cool. It feels almost like a summer camp, like a state park in here. This is cool. Also, you can see there is a pool out here. So I just want to capture that really, really quick. There's a pool, and we'll go look at that pool. It's just a really pretty look and feel here. Great feel. And so it's also a really cool lobby here. The lobby, look how tall it is in here. This is a really pretty lobby. And you can see there is a pool out there. It's a really nice pool. So it's kind of nice to have this pool because, you can go to the big pool of the Village, but then you can have your own pool that's here too. So it's really cool seeing this. Hey, if you have questions at any time about anything you're seeing at the Dakota or at the Village, or any one of these videos that are Village videos, you can send me a text. And if you're ready to take a virtual live tour or a live tour, it's free, and you just send me a text right now. I'll take care of that.